peppers belong to the capsicum genus, which includes both sweet and hot varieties. There are over 50,000 varieties of peppers grown worldwide. Peppers are native to Central and South America. Christopher Columbus was the first European to encounter peppers in the New World. The name pepper was given because their spicy flavor reminded Europeans of black pepper, piper, negro. Peppers can be classified into sweet and hot types. Capsaicin is the compound responsible for the heat in chili peppers. The Scoville scale measures the heat level of peppers in Scoville heat units. Peppers are part of the nightshade family, along with tomatoes and eggplants. Peppers are a rich source of vitamin C, A, E. Bell peppers are the most commonly grown sweet pepper. They come in various colors, including green, red, yellow, orange, and purple. Red bell peppers are simply ripened green peppers. Green bell peppers are less sweet and more bitter than red or yellow varieties. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, containing more than oranges. They are low in calories, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. Bell peppers are often used raw in salads or cooked in stir-fries and stuffed dishes. Purple bell peppers have a slightly earthy flavor. Bell peppers are also known as capsicums in many countries. They are commonly grown in greenhouses in cooler climates. The Carolina Reaper is the hottest pepper in the world, with over 2.2 million shoots. Jalapagos are one of the most popular hot peppers, ranging from 2,500 to 8,000 shoots. Cayenne peppers are often dried and ground into a powder for cooking. Habanero peppers are known for their fruity flavor and intense heat. Ghost peppers were once the hottest pepper in the world. Scotch bonnet peppers are commonly used in Caribbean cuisine. Poblano peppers are mild and often used to make child's rellenos. Anaheim peppers are mild, versatile, and popular in Mexican dishes. Peppers are low in calories and fat. They are a good source of dietary fiber. Hot peppers contain capsaicin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Capsaicin can boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Peppers are rich in antioxidants, helping to protect cells from damage. Sweet peppers provide carotenoids, which support eye health. The vitamin C content in hot peppers can strengthen the immune system. Peppers contain folate, which supports red blood cell production. They are a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Peppers contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which promote healthy vision. Peppers are a staple in cuisines worldwide, from Mexican to Thai. Chili powder is made from dried ground chili peppers. Smoked peppers, such as chipotle, are used for their rich, smoky flavor. Sweet peppers are often stuffed with meat, rice, or cheese. Roasting peppers brings out their natural sweetness. Pickled peppers are a popular condiment. Peppers are used to make hot sauces like Tabasco and Sriracha. Pepper jelly is a sweet and spicy spread, often served with cream cheese. Dried peppers like ancho and guajillo are common in mole sauces. Paprika is made from ground dried peppers and varies in flavor and heat. Peppers are warm-season crops and need full sun to thrive. They prefer well-draining soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. Peppers require consistent watering to prevent blossom and rot. Companion planting peppers with basil can deter pests. Overcrowding pepper plants can reduce air circulation risk and increase disease risk. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and regulate temperature. Pruning pepper plants can encourage better airflow and fruit production. Peppers can be grown in containers as long as they receive enough sunlight. Pepper plants are self-pollinating, but benefit from pollinator activity. Hot peppers can cross-pollinate with sweet peppers, potentially altering flavor. Peppers have been cultivated for over 6,000 years. They were domesticated in Mexico and spread globally after Columbus's voyages. The word chili originates from the Nahuatl word chili. Spanish and Portuguese explorers introduced peppers to Asia and Africa. Peppers became an integral part of Indian Thai cuisines within decades of their introduction. Capsaicin was isolated in 1876 by John Clough Thresh. The Scoville scale was developed in 1912 by Wilbur Scoville. Peppers were initially used for medicinal purposes in Europe. Ancient Mesoamerican cultures used peppers in religious rituals. The Chinese five-spice powder. The world's largest pepper was a 17.5-inch long bell pepper grown in the U.S. Capsaicin is used in pepper spray for self-defense. The heat from chili peppers is perceived as pain by the brain. Eating spicy peppers releases endorphins, creating a euphoric feeling. Some people have a genetic. Peppers are a symbol of good luck in some cultures. The La Costilla Jalapeño mascot is iconic in Mexican pop culture. Hot pepper eating contests are popular in the U.S. and Asia. Bell peppers are the only peppers that lack capsaicin. The national pepper month is celebrated in November. Peppers are a sustainable crop, requiring fewer resources than many other vegetables. Companion planting peppers with marigolds can repel nematodes. Peppers are highly adaptable and can be grown in diverse climates. Organic peppers are often grown without synthetic pesticides. Greenhouse-grown peppers can yield more consistent. Crop rotation prevents soil depletion and diseases in pepper farming. Peppers can be grown hydroponically with great success. They are pollinated primarily by wind and insects. Peppers are susceptible to pests like aphids and whiteflies. Sustainable pepper farming practices reduce water. The Guinness World Record for eating ghost peppers is 246 grams in 2 minutes. Birds are immune to capsaicin, helping them spread pepper seeds. Capsaicin is used in topical creams for pain relief. Peppers can vary in flavor based on soil, climate, and growing conditions. Eating dairy can help neutralize the heat of chili peppers. Some peppers, like the poblano, are named after regions in Mexico. Capsaicin can deter rodents from eating stored food. The Jalapeño was the first pepper to travel to space aboard the space shuttle. The world's most expensive pepper is the rare A.G. carapita from Peru. Peppers come in a variety of shapes, from bell-like to long and twisted.